Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can reduce background noise in CapCut. So here I've already add like a tutorial video of mine, and I want to reduce the background noise in this video. So here is the video, and then what you need to do is just at the toolbar at the bottom. After you import the video, just click on the video, sorry, and then swipe until you find the reduce noise option. So just click on that, and then to enable that, just click on the circles right here, and then noise reduction in progress, and after that just click on the check icon, and you can just wait until the process is finished, and then you can listen to your video again. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe if you haven't done that. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye bye.